Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you that how you can fix couldn't restore messages problem in your WhatsApp account. So guys, before proceeding further, I would like to make a request that if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then kindly hit the subscribe button and at the same time kindly hit the bell icon as well, and whenever my video is uploaded you will get a notification. So please support us by subscribing our channel. So let's start the video. Okay, some one of my subscribers, he sent me this screenshot and he told me to make a video on this issue. So today I am here with you with the solution that how you can fix this error. As you can see, couldn't restore messages. So this is the issue, this is the problem. This occurs whenever you are logged out from your WhatsApp and whenever you are re-signed in, and then at that time it will give you an option to backup, to restore your backup on your WhatsApp, right? At the time, most of the time what happens is we get this kind of error. This error couldn't restore messages. So what are the options? What are the ways of fixing these problems? I'm gonna tell you this. The first thing is check your internet connection. If you have if you have a heavy backup, like if you have about 2-3 GB size of backup you have in your Gmail account or you have in your email ID account, then it will take a lot of time to restore it, right? To restore it. So that time, because of the heavy backup, you might face this issue because of the heavy backup. So what I suggest you is you must have a strong internet connection. If you do not have the strong internet connection, then you will get this error and you won't be able to fix this problem. So make sure that you have a strong internet connection. If you do not have the strong internet connection, then you can swipe your SIM and then use another SIM's data, okay? Or you can just use Wi-Fi. That will be more proper. And the second things, even after doing this, like even if your internet connection is good, it is strong enough, but you are getting this error, then I would suggest you to go to your Gmail ID and then check your WhatsApp backup file, whether there sometimes because of the the corrupted file is there, and that's why you won't be able to restore. So just go to your Gmail account and then go to the Google Drive on that particular Gmail account or whatever email ID you have, and then check your WhatsApp backup and then check whether you have a whether you have a good backup or not. Sometimes we mistakenly we just flash our backup, so in that case there is no backup, so that's why you won't be able to restore it. So you have to check that, okay? And the second thing is the third solution is, the third way of doing this is, I would suggest you to restart your device and then just come back to the WhatsApp and then do it, okay? Try to do it. And the fourth thing is, if just make sure that you have the backup in the same email ID, or if you are using different Gmail ID or email ID, then you have to switch. You have to check in which email ID exactly you have the backup. So you have to check that first and then do it. Even after doing all this, if it is not working, then I would suggest you to restart your phone. This one I have already told you. Just go to WhatsApp. I'll tell you, just go to your settings and then go to, just type apps, okay? You can simply type apps and then go to apps and then here click on the apps, and then you have to, okay, app is not there. Okay, what we have to do is click here on app and then go to manage apps, and then here you have to find WhatsApp. Find the exact WhatsApp you have in your phone. Okay, here is the WhatsApp. click here, and then you have to click on the storage, and then clear data. Click on the clear data and clear all data. Okay, you have to clear all data, and after clearing all data, you will be logged out from your WhatsApp, and then you have to click, and then you have to put your number, and then you can restore. So this is how you can do it. And another thing is, if you are not able to do this, then I would suggest you to go to do one thing. You just have to go to WhatsApp report. Okay, go to WhatsApp report, and then as you can see, here is the frequently.whatsapp.com. just go here, and then from here you can report your, you can simply go to the report option. Here you'll find all the options, like if you have some kind of error, then you can search here. You can search here whatever the problem you have, and then it will help. Okay, so these are the things that you can do to fix. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.